thing. It looks like an alien probe, but it's actually a really slender drill bit on a really long stem. And what they're good for is if you're running wires between two rooms and you're not quite sure where it's going to come out in the other room, you put this baby in your drill, and it's like a $3 bit or something like that. They don't cost much. But so here you are on this side of the wall thinking, okay, where do I want to come out? Well, I'll try here. So you start it, and watch this. It makes this tiny little pinhole. See that? Like, it's so subtle. So if you came out in the wrong spot, it's really easy to fix it. And the reason that the drill is so long is that if you want to go between floors, for example, you've got, 8-inch joists and then flooring and ceiling stuff. So this gives you enough space to get right through and make a subtle hole so that it's not really a big gaping one. And then you know where to adjust. We've come to that part of the show where I like to talk about generosity of spirit. Specifically, the generosity of spirit that I notice in the letters we get from people who make the effort to look up our website and drop us an encouraging word. It takes time and energy to do this, and it's time you could be spending on repairs, but you tear yourself away just to say something funny or inspiring that makes working on a repair to remember worthwhile. And we know it's easier to complain than to encourage, to criticize than to uplift, to use the anonymity of the web to be cantankerous and judgmental rather than generous. So we appreciate your words and are proud to have you as our viewers, not just because you're willing to forgive the goofy things that happen on our show, but because you're willing to report the mistakes you make too and laugh about them. There's a deep camaraderie in sharing human frailty and human potential. So thank you for being part of the spirit of the show with your exuberance and willingness to risk your own egos by fixing things. May your repairs never falter. Until next time on A Repair to Remember, I'm Mag Ruffman.